welcome. Leona Tafiti here to share 3 of my favorite tropical summer diffuser blends. As summer fun starts to wind down, it doesn't mean it has to end. What if there was a way that you could continue to enjoy that tropical summer vacation mood right in your very own living room? Today, I'm sharing 3 juicy feel-good diffuser recipes that bring sunshine, balance, and a little island magic into your space. Let's dive in. So here's the thing. Scent is powerful. It zips straight into your limbic system, which is basically your emotional command center. It shifts how you feel faster than you can say pineapple. And here's where science gets fun. Studies show citrus oils like orange and lime can lighten your mood, and herbs like peppermint can keep your mind sharp and focused. Diffuser blends also help to freshen up the air. It sets the energy in a room, and let's be honest, is way cozier than turning down the lights. I don't know about you, but I diffuse multiple times during the day. If I'm feeling sluggish, I pop in a citrus oil into the diffuser. If I'm feeling frazzled, I choose oils that are woodsy and soft. With that being said, let's go tropical with diffuser blend number 1. It's called Island Wake Up. And this blend has a bright and bubbly tone. It's literally saying, good morning, sunshine. Here's the mix. 3 drops grapefruit, 2 drops lime, 2 drops spearmint. Grapefruit gives you that sweet, tangy lift. It's like a mini serotonin boost. And lime offers cleanliness and clarity. And spearmint, it's fresh, almost like inhaling cool ocean air. Use this first thing in the morning when you're preparing breakfast or anytime you need a creative jolt to go crush that to-do list. Next up, blend number 2, Sunset Mojito. It's playful, it's sweet, it's sparkly, and just tangy enough to make you smile. Here's the vibe. 4 drops wild orange, 2 drops bergamot, 2 drops peppermint. Wild orange is like laughter in a bottle. It lifts you. Bergamot keeps things calm and it steers out anxiety. And peppermint just adds a little zing, like a mint in a mojito. So diffuse this when the sun starts to dip, or when making dinner, while unwinding after work, or maybe getting ready to dance in your living room like no one's watching. This stuff is literally like happy hour for your brain. Lastly, we have blend number 3, Tahitian Nights. This is a soft and sensual blend for when the day slows and you just want to relax. It's cozy, calm, and yes, a little romantic. Here's the recipe. 3 drops ylang ylang, 3 drops lavender, 3 drops cedarwood. Ylang ylang opens your heart, aka the good feels. Lavender soothes the racing mind, and cedarwood grounds you like a gentle hug from Mother Earth. This blend is your go-to for journaling, maybe winding down with a book, or bathing under candlelight. It's the scent equivalent of a dreamy sunset over warm sand as you're dipping your toes in crystal blue water. So there you have it. Island Wake Up, Sunset Mojito, and Tahitian Nights. 3 tropical diffuser blends that offer 3 different summer moods to keep you feeling energized, sparkly, and grounded. Remember, it's not just about the smell. It's about the mood you choose. And diffusing, it's effortless. Low-touch way to shift your space and your state of mind. Which one are you trying first? Screenshot your favorite recipe and let's co-create your summer vibe. May your summer feel as fresh, warm, and full of light as these blends. Don't forget to join us next Wednesday at 6 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time for another amazing class in our Summer Wellness Series. Until next time, aloha!